Dreamers are the ones who look beyond the limits of today and imagine a brighter, bolder tomorrow. They may be doubted, they may stumble, and they may face setbacks, but here's the truth: dreamers always win. Why? Because dreamers don't stop. They press forward, fueled by vision and driven by purpose. They understand that the road may be rocky, but they also know that every obstacle is a stepping stone towards success. While others see challenges, dreamers see possibilities. Dreamers may fail, but they learn. They may struggle, but they grow. And with each step, they move closer to making their vision a reality. So let's remember, the only true limits are the ones we place on ourselves. If you're willing to dream and you're willing to fight for that dream, then you're already on the path to victory. Steve Jobs once said, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." So dream big, work hard, and never let go of what you believe in. Because dreamers, they don't just dream, they build, they achieve, and ultimately, they win.